for the best way for you. This is how they groom.
These are monkeys grooming. They groom each other.
Grooming is normal
Yes,
to all the monkey families.
grooming is normal to all monkey families.
Now this one is removing some flies and that.
It's cleaning, removing flies, removing insects from the body. They do it in turns.
The lies, the kiroboto.
Kiroboto, all those.
So they're just removing from each other. And this is like a family. They live in one group.
Or they live in families in one group. So they are checking for any insects.
Oh, yeah. Funny.
Yeah, actually.
Tending each other, removing ticks.
Yeah, removing, checking for ticks, checking for any flies.
The
Oh, yeah, I
lies.
promised a friend of mine a massage.
Oh,
I will
yeah.
send you this photo. Like, I learned a lot today.
This is what we call grooming now.
Okay,
Exactly.
good. This one I want to take up to the end. Until they could look at it, lifts the leg so that it allows
It allows
the other one to
monkey
check.
and under the back legs. See.
Ja, ist gut.
Wow, wow, look at how it does it.
It's kind of a tradition.
All right. Touch a sensitive part. Wow, look at it. Look at it. Oh, good.
This is a male one.
Now,
This is a female.
now
If you
they
go in
interchange.
Yeah.
They go in turn. This one now starts doing it.
These are lovers,
Oh,
Yeah.
they're in love. They're lovers. Watch monkey lovers here. They love each other. They take care of each other. They groom
The
each
one-
other. The one lying down
Is a female.
is the female, the smaller, the big one.
The big one is
One
the
on
male.
top.
See? You can see the teeth. They have two teeth.
Yes, they have two. Yes, in the front you
Like,
can see the teeth.
Similar to those of a human being.
Yes.
Yeah, and for the monkey, see, it has
Yes,
some
you can watch
testes,
these
but it
teeth
has
here.
blue.
They have teeth here. You can see the teeth. There it is. The teeth.
And the
Here it
testes
is.
are blue.
Okay, that's a teeth. This is good. This is nice. This is nice. Good. Checking for ticks. Checking for this one. The monkeys. This is good. They do it in turns. When the male was down, it was checked. This is the female now being checked. In groom, they love each other. They don't. Good.
The teeth in,
Yeah. Looking for ticks, looking for
some
Okay.
lies.
flies and all that. Good. Good.